purpose of this video is for you to be able to explain why measurements have uncertainty. And it's important when you're using tools with graduations that you keep this this fact in mind, that you can estimate one digit. And the reason you can estimate is because you can see where the thing lines up at the end or lines up with the graduations, and then estimate one digit past where the graduations measure. So whenever you're using a measuring tool with graduations, like a graduated cylinder, you can always estimate one digit past where the measuring graduations stop. For example, this ruler is broken up into centimeters. This is 10, and each one of these is 1. Now you can see that it definitely falls right between these two. Therefore, the measurement is, I can say it's 6.8. Now I'm guessing on the 8. Just saying, hey, it lines up pretty close to that 8. Or it's closer to the 7, sorry. It's closer to the 7 than it is the 6. Therefore, I'm guessing it's around 6.8. Now, here's a picture of a piece of notebook paper lined up with a meter stick. Now you can see it really ends right at 70, right at that line. Therefore, how do I write that measurement? Well, it's at 70, so I write the 7. Point, and these would be millimeters. That's these gradations or graduations here. There, it's right at, it doesn't get past that 1. It's not even past 1, so it's a 0. And it is, I'm saying it's exactly at 70, so it's 70.00. Now, I realize that 70 and 70.00 are the same number, but they're actually two different numbers when it comes to science, and that'll be more apparent when we get to sig figs. Now, here we go again. This is a piece of copper pipe. This is a meter stick, so it's at 79. All right, that's the first. I can see it's 6 lines past the 9, so it's a 6, 79.6, and I can see that it's about halfway in between the 6 and the 7. So I'm going to say 79.65. Now, this last digit in all of them, the 0 here, and the 8 here, is an uncertain digit. So another reason for uncertainty in measurements is people can estimate. And I hope you have a good weekend.